Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 NEIKO. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best socket set that you should buy. Let's get started. First on the list is the DEWALT 108-piece Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set. This 108-piece set features a quick-release 72-tooth ratchet for high torque ratcheting and a nailed control ring. It includes 2 pair-head ratchets and a variety of sockets, extensions, and adapters. The sockets include direct torque technology to help prevent rounding of fasteners and to provide better grip. It also contains a durable anti-slip vinyl grip bit driver for maximum comfort. The set comes with a lifetime warranty. The ratchets feel durable and solid, and the quality of the sockets and ratchet handles is great. The sockets do the job well and are tough and durable. The pieces are firmly set in the case and will not fall out or roll around. The product is perfect for working on cars, motorcycles, appliances, and other items in your home, particularly if you're a novice mechanic and are looking for a good quality starter kit. Second on the list is the DEWALT 34-piece drive socket set. This 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive socket set can easily be transported between work areas. It features a removable inner tray that fits in most tool chests, and it has side hinges that interlock with similar DEWALT mechanic tool sets. It includes a 72-tooth count ratchet to access tough-to-reach spots. The sockets and wrenches have a polished chrome vanadium steel finish and feature hard stamped markings to easily identify the tool. The set has a lifetime warranty. It has standard metric and imperial socket sizes and also a drill extension. The tools are solidly built, well constructed, and last a long time. The ratchet handle is very comfortable and the sockets pop on and off very easily when the center button on the handle is depressed. Third up is the Sunex 3/8 inch Drive Master Impact Socket Set. The kit's tools are made of chromium molybdenum CRMO steel for strength and flexibility. The radius corner design reduces wear and increases torque, and the chamfered opening quickly aligns the fastener to the socket. It includes SAE 5/16 inch to 3/4 inch and metric 8mm to 19mm socket. The kit meets ANSI standards and has a heavy-duty storage case and universal joint that adapts any socket for use in swivel applications. It comes with a lifetime warranty. This is a handy and practical kit if you have a compact impact driver. The tools feel tough in your hands and are well made. The case is tough, compact, and laid out very well. There are no skipped sizes and both shallow and deep sockets are included. Fourth on the list is the NEIKO 01144A tamper-proof hex bit socket set. This socket set comes with 26 pieces and ranges in metric sizes from 2 to 14mm or SAE sizes 5/64 to 9/16 inch. To construct the socket set, premium S2 alloy steel is used. This increases longevity and reduces wear by making the pieces incredibly hard. They are then coated in professional-grade chrome vanadium. You'll find using this socket set easier due to the high contrast laser etching. This makes the size marking more visible and easier to read, even in low light. The set also comes in a durable plastic carrying case. This makes the set portable and convenient. To end with is the LEXIVON XZN triple square spline bit socket set. This 10-piece triple square set is designed for use while working on European cars. The sockets are constructed from a drop-forged and heat-treated S2 alloy steel. This gives the pieces durability and reduces wear. They are also coated in chrome vanadium to increase turning power. Each socket is stamped with its size, and the entire set comes in a heavy-duty storage case. This set resists rust and corrosion for long-term use. The tools have a mirror-like chrome finish. They have also received a zinc phosphate treatment. You'll enjoy using this set thanks to the precision chamfered bit ends. This makes insertion into the ratchet and onto the fastener smooth and easy. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.